Today, I'll be teaching you about the HVAC system, and I'll explain some of the components and show you where they are located on this. For convenience sake, we have the radiator remote. Alright, first, just plain and simple, the condenser, the dryer, down there is the compressor, and then behind the firewall is the evaporator and evaporator core. And there. If I have also forgotten to mention, this is a expansion valve system, or the expansion valve type of system. The expansion valve is located near the evaporator. This vehicle is on the other side of the firewall inside the cab. This is a diagram of an expansion valve system on the Mazda that was in the video. It goes from the compressor to the condenser. The compressor compresses low pressure gas and the high pressure gas. It goes to condenser, becomes a high pressure gas into a high pressure liquid, goes to a dryer as a high pressure liquid, then to expansion valve, then becomes a low pressure liquid, then to the evaporator, then becomes a low pressure gas, then back to the compressor as a low pressure gas, back into a high pressure gas.